Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to use new iPhone journal app. Apple introduced its new journal app exclusively for iPhone with iOS 17.2. The app is very simple and has a cool feature that allows you to create long-term habits, keep your diary entries safe, and even give you prompts when you are unsure what to write. So in this video, I'll tell you how to use it. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm going to tell you how to add an entry to the journal app. Keep in mind that if you have not used the journal app before, many of these options will come with prompts to set them up and give permissions for the journal app to access things like your camera and photos. First, you will want to learn how to add an entry in the journal app. What media can be attached on your iPhone? Open the journal app. To begin a new entry, tap the plus button. Choose from a prompt or select new entry. Here's where you will write your text. If you want to add a prompt after you have started your entry, tap the magic wand. To add a photo, tap the photos icon. And to take a photo, tap the camera icon. To record a voice memo directly in the entry, tap the voice record icon. To add a location to your entry, tap the location icon. You can edit the date by tapping the three dots button. You can bookmark a particular entry by tapping the bookmark button. And when you are done, tap done. And that's it. And next I am going to tell you how to log journal entries on iPhone. Next, the most important thing, you will need to leave the journal app and open settings in order to customize the logging journal feature. Next, scroll down and go to the app section. Next, search for journal. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and choose log journal. It will ask you to enter your iPhone passcode, so enter your iPhone passcode. Toggle on log and tap require passcode. Select how long the journal needs to be inactive to require the passcode, and that's how the new journal app works on iPhone. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to use new iPhone journal app, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.